Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today, it is the end of the Para era. I am no longer affiliated with Para. I will not be representing them or promoting their page or anything anymore until further notice. So, just to be totally transparent with you guys, they're ending their affiliate program. And if you guys, I'm sure you guys know that they were paying me, but obviously, yeah, so no longer representing with them, and I will personally be deleting the Para app. The only reason I'm deleting it is because I'm not going to use it anymore because there's no tip transparency, and it doesn't really seem like they're going to have anything new coming in anytime soon. So it seems like they were trying to get like tip transparency for Uber Eats, and I'm sure they were just never able to figure that out. Doordash probably had like this loophole that they figured out, and then they were able to get it for that. Kitty cat, what are you doing? My cat's freaking out under here, like destroying shit. Anyway, so yeah, so basically everything's under maintenance right now, and I'm just gonna delete the app. Like, not because I'm pissed at them or anything. I'm just like, I'm not gonna use it. I don't really have any reason to use it. I don't need to track my earnings because I told you guys I don't really make very much on Doordash or anything, and I only have one app, so I only have Doordash, so it's not like I need to like track them all together really or anything. So I don't know. If you guys, obviously, I'm super grateful for everything Para did and everything, and I still like support them, and hopefully they can get like the whole thing squared off and like get back to tip transparency or whatever the best thing is. Maybe their next move is something else. I don't know. But just from now on, I just wanted to kind of make a video about this and let you guys know. Well, fortunately, no one got deactivated. That's a plus. No one got deactivated. That's good news. And I don't know. I guess just to be safe and just because I don't really have any reason to have it anymore, that's why I'm deleting the app personally. So it is what it is. I guess I will, I'm going to look for another app to promote because I think these third-party apps are going to be what helps keep the driving companies honest, and hopefully there's another app out there that can, if you guys have any ideas on other apps that maybe I can reach out to or something to sponsor the channel and hopefully promote them. If there's any other good apps out there, let me know. Help a brother out. Yeah, basically, just want to make a quick update for you guys and let you know. That's it. That's all I got for you guys. So, but if you guys are DoorDash drivers or aren't DoorDash drivers and you want to become a DoorDash driver, I do have an affiliate link down below, and you can click on that link and sign up to be a DoorDash driver. I always am going to tell people I think that it's very important that you do have at least one delivery app. That way, just in case something happens, then you can like go out and make money real quick and deposit that right away. It's DoorDash has saved my life many times when I needed money real quick, and I was like, uh-oh, I gotta go make $50 today real quick, otherwise I'm gonna like, otherwise like, why can't I think of the word where your bank account it goes negative? I don't know. Anyways, I'm sure someone will comment it down below because I can't think of it right now. I'm going retarded. I'm having a Joe Biden moment. Anyways, okay. Anyways. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this update. And if you guys haven't yet, make sure you follow me on Instagram at Tanner Markley. Got more cool stuff, and like if you like the action sports side of things and everything, I usually keep the Instagram towards like action sports stuff. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Oh, by the way, I just got my car registered real quick. I got to tell you guys, my car, it cost $1,600 to register because I had to register for last year and this year. $1,600. Nevada screws you over because they hit you with a percentage of the value of your car and not just not just like a normal, like, I don't think they hit you with a percentage of the value of your car, and my car is freaking valued at like $45,000, which makes no sense because it's not worth $45,000 anymore. It's worth $23,000. I just got it estimated. Anyways, okay. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.